Guys, this is early in the morning. I will be taking you to witness a spectacular sight that I've never thought of existing. It is 4 o'clock, and I'm into the regular course of actions of my ashram life. I have taken bath, I have done Jalavishekam. Now I'm beside the bank of river Ganga. This is a regular course of actions of mine. I'm seeing a mist is forming, just at the corner, at the other side of the river as well. I thought of it as smoke. The cookings are taking place and then fogs are there, so it is forming a smoke, but it is not. It is actually the cloud is taking up the place, covering up the place, covering up the river bed slowly. See how spectacular it is? All the jostles of Paramartha Niketan and Shivananda Nagar Ghat, Ramjhula, those are not there. It is quite early in the morning, that's why. See what a spectacular sight. This is quite a, unusual sight. It is not very visible. See? Now it is 5 o'clock and you can see the cloud is there atop the hill as well. As if the clouds are oozing out and then they are coming and infesting the riverbed. They are slowly and steadily covering it up. Banks of Ganga is serene, are all serene places. I will taking. देखो गंगा पे क्लाउड कैसे छा रहे हैं. पूरा river bed is in the morning. This is 5 in the morning. The river bed is absolutely hazy. One cannot see. Guys, planning to go to Kedarnath, and then I'm not knowing. I have not made my registration yet, and though it is online, but then I couldn't able to make it. So I'm thinking of doing it from the bus stand, Rishikesh bus stand itself, or it could be like anywhere from the Gurudwara in Rishikesh as well. There are two places where you can do that in Rishikesh and Dehradun. One is Dehradun, Haridwar itself, and then this bus stand of Rishikesh, from where you would get taxis, buses, and shuttle taxis as well to Sonprayag. And from there we need to go to Gaurikund, and from there it is a trek. Now the cloud is absolutely across, and Ganga's water level had increased as well. So heavy rainfalls are there, but let's see what is on store. We'll catch you up. To Kedarnath. Let's see what awaits. Now at 9:30 on the same day, basically, I've come up again. This ghat is pretty familiar to us. The students of 100th year students of Shivananda Ashram gathered together, jostled together, had a lot of adda over here. We had a chitta chat, and then we also discussed the divinity. This ghat would be missed terribly whenever we leave this place. But this is all cloudy. You cannot see the other side of river Ganga. This is mystic. This ghat is called Muniki Reti. Lots of austerities or lots of penances are taking place over here from ancient times. Sages have performed their rites over here, performed their sadhanas over here. This ghat is quite pious ghat. And we cannot even see Ramjhula, which is a kind of a quintessential. People are there on the other side, but then it is not visible. Ganga is absolutely cloud covered now. If you can see Ramjhula is also not visible from here. It is a quintessential part of this frame. Ramjhula should be here, but what view, man! What a view! Unarguably, the river level had increased. River See, it's now touching. It's half covered altogether. It's a very, very scary scenario for a goat. The ghats are basically acquainted with we are inundated right now. All the stones that's over visible basically are not here, not seen. The cloud atop as well on the hill, and it's everywhere. Bhutnath temple. If you can see Bhutnath temple from here, it's a kind of a haze. It's in haze. Janki Jhula is also very, very feebly visible. A little rain out of cloud. Isn't it beautiful? See, the sadhus are basically performing the Ganga Aarti as a concluding ceremony of Shivananda Swamiji's 100th years of sannyas centenary. We have all gathered together, and the water level is quite low, quite low. Hari Narayana. And this is the site from Ramjhula itself. I'm crossing Ramjhula to have some food packed for my journey back to Kolkata from Paramarth Niketan. And you see, Ganga has become
cloud
a cloudy
has
river
completely
now.
covered riverbed.
The river made of cloud. See? All
Cloud has
cloud
completely
infested.
covered the riverbed.
The entire
This is
river bed
Megh
is
Ganga,
basically
Cloud Ganga,
shielded with cloud.
Cloudy Ganga.
See what is a kind of a beauty.
Spectacular. This is something
at off.
very, very
I'm
serene,
actually
very, very
crossing
surreal.
Ramjhula and then going to Paramarth Niketan's canteen basically to have some aloo paratha packed for my tour.
I
And
don't
I'm
know.
going
I would be
back
missing
to
this place
Kolkata
terribly.
itself
Rishikesh has
today.
something to do with an immediate connect with your spiritual being. This is very, very pious place. Very pious place. You feel something special in this particular place. You need not to basically.
It's a kind of a rare view.
Been given by somebody's advice and stuff like that, you would be getting a kind of a positivity and stuff like that. It is not there. The moment you land up this place, you would be getting that kind of vibe.
Can't think of on 3 onwards basically I'd be there in Kolkata and I'd be missing this divinity. It's unthinkable. If I'm recording so much so that I could able to bring some of a piece of Rishikesh with me back home. So it's like a divinity itself.
I got emotional. Whenever I think, basically I need to leave this place. People are taking bath. Ganga bath is usually very, very safe. Lest it is a rainy season, and you need to also take the help of the chains as well. Those are there. Iron chains are there. It is quite early in the morning. You won't get any food and stuff like that. It is there. Only chai shops are there. You could get tea shops. But if you need to basically have your breakfast, Indian breakfast, you can go to Paramarth Niketan's canteen, which is into operation from early in the morning, 6:30 I guess. Har Har Gange.
Har Har Gange. From Paramarth Niketan Ghat now.
I will terribly miss this place. Terribly miss this place. But definitely I will be coming to this place again and again and again. Megh Ganga. Saraswati